Hi guys, making another video about how to change a dishwasher, which is a pretty easy process. So this is what you can see. This is water outlet hose, uh, water inlet hose, and a power cable. This is the old dishwasher which I removed. And this is the setting where the 60 centimeter dishwasher sits. And just next to it there is a setting which is water inlet from here, and water outlet goes on this one, which goes down on the drain. And there we are, is a power plug. So we're gonna put all the cables and the pipes into the designated holes, which is connected to the power area and the water area, and these ones are going here, and this is the water outlet gauge which is going here from there, and which is going here. This water inlet pipe goes here. Okay, and this water outlet pipe goes here. Make sure you put the clamp on it. Okay, so all the settings done. Water outlet hose fitted with the clamp, water inlet tightened enough, and that's your power cable. Just put slightly back and that's it, it's ready to go. Thanks for watching.